Removal back cover. Starting at the left bottom corner, unsnap the back cover from the frame. Lift up to remove it. Replacement back cover. Place the back cover into position by lining up the edges. Press along the edges to snap it into place. Removal battery. Pick the battery out of the compartment. Lift up to remove it. Replacement battery. Place the battery into position. Press it down into place. Removal middle frame. Remove the 9 screws that secure the middle frame to the phone frame. Note that the one next to the rear camera is longer than the others. Unsnap the middle frame along the edges. Lift up to remove it. Replacement middle frame. Place the middle frame into position. Press until it is properly snapped into place. Replace the 9 screws to secure the middle frame to the phone frame. Note that the one next to the rear camera is longer than the others. Removal rear camera. Disconnect the rear camera FPC. Lift up to remove the camera. Replacement rear camera. Place the camera into position. Reconnect the rear camera FPC. Removal system board. Remove the volume control button. Detach the volume control FPC. Remove the power button. Detach the power button FPC. Disconnect the touch control FPC. Disconnect the LVD SFPC. Detach the loudspeaker. Detach the vibration motor. Lift the system board up and remove it. Replacement system board. Place the system board into position. Apply the adhesive backing of the vibration motor. Apply the adhesive backing of the loudspeaker. Note to avoid pressing on the mesh and damage the diaphragm. Reconnect the LVDS FPC. Reconnect the touch control IFPC. Reapply the adhesive backing of the power button FPC. Replace the power button. Reapply the adhesive backing of the volume control FPC. Replace the volume button. Removal earpiece speaker. Peel off the adhesive sponge from the earpiece speaker. Lift up to remove the speaker. Replacement earpiece speaker. Place the earpiece speaker into position. Press to apply the adhesive sponge. Removal vibration motor. Unsolder the vibration motor from the system board. Replacement vibration motor. Solder the vibration motor to the system board. Note to apply the cable to the correct pole. Removal, loudspeaker. Unsolder the loudspeaker from the system board. Replacement, loudspeaker. Solder the loudspeaker to the system board. Note to apply the cable to the correct pole.